It's a lettuce, and we're all familiar with it. That's romaine. How to cut romaine with F sharp. We're also going to make a grilled Caesar salad over high heat on the grill to give it a nice char flavor. Using the F sharp chef's knife, I'm gonna first just remove anywhere from an inch to a couple inches off of the top of that head of lettuce, get rid of some of that, and then go lengthwise right down the middle. Place the cut side down, go lengthwise again. It could be once, twice more, depending on the size of your head of lettuce. Then you'll simply turn and cut into half-inch, inch and a half pieces. Whatever bite size looks like for you, toss with your favorite dressing, you're good to go. In this case, that charred romaine, I'm just gonna cut up. Remember, it's already sliced lengthwise right down the middle. It's already seasoned with a little salt and pepper. Once that's chopped up, I'm gonna add some croutons. I took some sourdough, grilled that up, cut it into cubes, down with my favorite Caesar dressing, and then you can't have a Caesar without some additional Parmesan cheese. And make sure you visit fnsharp.com for more.